Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be assembling the Yeah Racing QUTUS big bore dampers. I just did an unboxing video of these dampers. If you haven't seen that, I'll leave a link right here. And this is everything you need to put it together. You're going to need the content of the kit. Need some napkins or paper towels. This is a set of pliers specifically designed to hold on to the damper shafts. Also have a pair of needle nose pliers for those E-clips. You're also going to need a place to set your dampers upright when you're pouring the oil. I'm going to be using this Duratrax car stand with these holes that were made to hold the dampers. All right, let's get started. All right, first let's take a look at why these are called QUTUS big bore dampers. QUTUS stands for Quick Tuning System. The way these QUTUS dampers are able to be adjusted without taking them apart comes from the fact that they're built with two different pistons with holes that align differently as you twist the adjustment ring. You can build these dampers with either 4 stages or 6 stages of adjustments. You can also build them with a single piston for just your normal fixed setup. All right, so let's get everything out of the box. All right, I have everything I need in front of me. First, I'm going to start with the shaft and an E-clip. And this is where I use the needle nose pliers. And click those on. Next, we're going to put together the two sides of the piston. This is going to be the top piece, and there's a notch there. And that's actually the selector for how many holes are covered. And we need to place this notch right here to match those teeth. So I'm going to flip this the other side. It's going to go in like this. But first, let me add a dab of oil onto the face of the bottom piston. The notches up there and match them up. And it should come together without any force. Next, we're going to put on this piston spacer. And then the piston. There is a flat spot on the bottom of the piston here to match up with the flat spot on the shaft itself. So we just need to line them up. And when you do, it should go down pretty easily, and just press down. If you're not able to press it all the way down, sometimes the spacer gets stuck halfway. You need to push that down and then push the pistons down. I'm going to lock them together with an E-clip, like that. All right, we're finished with the first part of the dampers. The second part is going to start by disassembling the whole damper body right here. It's going to take everything off. Next, we're going to put a dab of oil right here. Then we're going to take our O-ring and set it inside. Then we're going to take our rod guide with this side facing up. Set that on there. Then we're going to close it up. Then we're going to put this O-ring inside the groove of this collar. We're just going to push that in there and make sure it's flush all the way around. Then we're going to put a dab of oil on the body itself and then twist this on. Don't fight it. If it binds, back it out and start again. And now we're going to put the piston through the damper body like that. And this is when the shaft pliers will come in handy. I'm going to hold that and then twist the bottom shock ball joint on. And I'm going to use my rod end wrench here. And it's going to look like this. Now we're going to fill up the damper with oil. And once you've done that, you're going to want to work the shaft a couple times up and down to force the bubbles out. And sometimes after you do that, you're going to need to top it off just a little bit more. And now we're going to wait 20 minutes to allow those bubbles to escape. Okay, so after 20 minutes, the bubbles have escaped and we're ready to finish this up. First, I'm going to put this seal on top. Then I'm going to place the upper ball joint. And now I'm going to twist the cap back on. Now I'm going to put the spring on. Squeeze that down. And take this spring cup. And lock it all in. And there we go. Now we did this correctly. By turning this left and right, you should hear some clicks. 3 clicks right there. 3 clicks. So this side is going to be softer. And if I click this side, it's going to be harder. So that's the quick adjust. And we're done. So this is the build video for the Yeah Racing QUTUS big bore dampers. I'm excited to put these dampers onto the Kyosho Phaser Mark II. So thanks for watching this video. If you got anything out of it, please drop a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.